In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make money while you sleep. And I know that sounds like one of those clickbait titles, but it's not, because there are many ways for you to make money while you're asleep. And before we get into this video, I want to give a huge shout out to a company that provides all of us with a service. They're an incredible company, and they're also the sponsor of today's video. Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful website, online store, or online portfolio. For example, if you decide to sell products online, then Squarespace will also help you set up a payment method so that you can accept credit cards and other forms of payments. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting other people's products and services and getting a commission whenever you make a sale. This can be done through a variety of methods, such as running ads, creating content, or even social media marketing. Creating a YouTube channel is a lot like creating a blog, because once you upload a video, it can continue to bring in views and revenue for months or even years. So with email marketing, you'll create a list of people who have opted into receiving emails from you, and then you'll send them emails promoting products or services. One of the best ways to get started with email marketing is by providing a lead magnet for free in exchange for their email address. For example, you could provide a PDF guide in exchange for their email address. Just remember that it's important to diversify your income streams so that you're not relying on just one source of income. That way, if something happens to one of your income streams, you'll still have others to fall back on. Once you have their email address, you can start sending them emails promoting products or services. So I've talked about a number of different ways to make money while you sleep, but the question is, how much money can you actually make? And if you want to learn more about making money online, then you should check out my free course. The link is in the description below. Hope you guys have a great day. With blogging, you can earn anywhere from $200 to $2,000 per day. In my course, I teach you everything you need to know to start making money online. I cover topics such as finding a profitable niche, creating a website, setting up ads, and much more. Plus, I provide you with step-by-step tutorials so that you can easily follow along. With YouTube, you can earn anywhere from $300 to $3,000 per day. With email marketing, you can earn anywhere from $400 to $4,000 per day. And with dropshipping, you can earn anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per day. Of course, these are just estimates, and your actual earnings may vary. But as you can see, it's possible to make a significant amount of money with each of these methods. Well, that all depends on a number of factors, such as the amount of time and effort you're willing to put in. But here are some rough estimates of how much money you can make with each method. And the best part is, you can automate the entire process so that it happens automatically. To get started with YouTube, you'll need to come up with a good idea for a channel, and then create quality videos that people are looking for. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. I know these ideas aren't brand new, but the truth is that they work. I've personally made money with all of these methods, and I know many others who have also made money with them. Now, yes, it takes time and effort to get started, but once you put in the work up front, you can start seeing results almost immediately. And the best part is that you can continue to grow your income streams over time. Instead, the store owner passes on the customer orders and shipping details to a third party. The third party then ships the order directly to the customer. So with drop shipping, you're essentially acting as a middleman between the customer and the manufacturer. When someone places an order on your store, you place an order with the manufacturer, and the manufacturer ships the product directly to the customer. You don't need to handle any of the shipping or packaging yourself, and since you're just acting as a middleman, you can keep the profit as your own. To get started with dropshipping, you can use platforms like Shopify to create your online store and then find a reliable supplier to dropship your products. Once you upload a video, YouTube will show your video to people who are searching for that topic. If your video is good enough, then they'll watch it, and if they like it, they might subscribe to your channel. And once your channel reaches a certain amount of subscribers, then you can start making money from ads being shown on your videos. One of the best affiliate programs out there is the Amazon Associates program. With Amazon Associates, you'll earn commissions on products when customers shop through your unique link that you get from Amazon. So if you have a product in mind, you can simply go to the Amazon Associates page, type in the product, and then you'll see how much commission you'll earn for promoting that product. Then you just need to promote the product and get people to buy it through your link, and you'll earn money while you sleep. Squarespace also has a marketing tool called Campaign, which allows you to run email and Facebook ads directly from your dashboard. Blogging can be a great way to make passive income because once you publish a blog post, it can continue to bring in traffic and revenue for months or even years. To get started with blogging, you'll need to find a niche that you're interested in, and then create high-quality content that people are looking for. You can use platforms like WordPress or Squarespace to create your blog and monetize it with Google AdSense. This way you can earn money from ads being shown on your blog posts. And if you'd like to learn more about digital marketing, then you should check out my Marketing for Beginners course. The link is in the description below. All you have to do is choose from one of their many templates and then customize it to your liking. So the first way to make money while you sleep is by creating a course and selling it on a learning platform. So with Teachable, you can create and sell your very first online course in less than 60 seconds. It's completely free to sign up, and you get your own branded website when you sign up. So once you create your course, you can share it with others and make sales. And the best part is you get paid every time someone signs up for your course. And you don't need to create a course right now in order to start earning money because you can create the course over time and earn money at the same time. It's literally that simple. It'll only take you a few minutes. If you're looking to make money online, or if you're looking to start your first business online, then you need to check out Squarespace. Once you've built your site, Squarespace will also help you with the rest of the process. So now let's get back to making money while you sleep. The next way to make money while you sleep is by affiliate marketing. Another way to make money while you sleep is by blogging. Now, if you don't want to create a blog or a course, then you can also make money while you sleep by creating a YouTube channel. Another way to make money while you sleep is through email marketing. Another way to make money while you sleep is by drop shipping. So these are just a few ways that you can make money while you sleep. If you're able to implement just one or two of these ideas, then you'll be well on your way to making passive income. And with that said, let's move on to the next section of the video. With affiliate marketing, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per day. Now I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I get started? Well, that's where my course comes in. That's all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.